Hi, friends. Will this rally last or will it fool the bulls in the month of April? This is the biggest question we have in our mind. Answer is rally will last. So April is not going to be April Fool for bulls. Why we think that? Long term capital gain जो free था, so today was the last day and it is out. So वो fear that all the selling is coming because of long-term capital gains is over. Today was the expiry and therefore all the loss-making positions are also out. All the weak hands are also out from the market. April is going to be the new financial year. People will expect better numbers and market has decently corrected. So to give you a few statistics, NIFTY from December 2017 till January 2018 high had a rally of around 3,000 odd points from 7,900 to 11150. So this entire rally has corrected by exactly 38%, and that 38% comes and that the market had hit last week was 9,920 odd point at 20 levels. So 9,920 was the exact 38% correction of the entire rise that market had seen, we had seen in the last full year. So this 38% is a very important correction percentage point from Fibonacci point of view. So these are the technical aspect. Fundamentally, I think the worst is discounted trade wars. To give you an example, so US had imposed tariffs on imports from China to the extent of 60 billion worth of import. So what are the total imports by US? It is around $500 billion, and $500 billion, 10% of the imports are tariffized. So उस पे tariff डाला है. So it is not a really big deal. सिर्फ 10% imports will get impacted. But that said and done, market's overreaction, that is what now is creating an opportunity for us to invest, or in fact to have a short-term perspective. At least in the month of April and mid-May, we are going to have a sort of bounce back rally, and in the middle of May, when Karnataka election results will be published, so that's the time when market will have some amount of uncertainty. But market has had a decent amount of correction by time also. So around 40 working days, market has continuously had a corrective fall, and this is probably the largest in the past one and a half year. So from time wise also market has corrected, price wise also 38% correction, which is a decent correction level for any bull market to correct. Many sectors have also corrected sharply. So the current situation is fearful, and when there is fear in the street, you see headlines of previous week, bull market has begun, bear market has begun, we are in for a bearish year, and etc. So all this in a way gives us a confidence that there was too much pessimism, and now therefore it's time for rally. We don't know whether this will continue as a bull market rally, or this will be just like any other corrective rally. But for the moment, I think the hypothesis is the April month will be good enough for the bulls, for the traders, for short term, those who want to bet short to medium terms. I think the current low levels are good stop loss levels, and one can think of trading and investing from short term perspective. So what are the sectors that are going to perform well? Few of the sectors are showing strength. So they did not fall during the corrective phase, and now they are showing strength. So I think we think these sectors should outperform in the month of April. The sectors are pharma. So pharma, in a way, pharma index has made a double bottom on a larger time frame. So I think pharma does makes, and some of the stocks are really resilient. Dr. Reddy, in fact Sun Pharma, Ajanta Pharma, So these are the stocks are showing resilience, and when the results come out, maybe the beta will be high in terms of the previous year base was low, and this year when they deliver incremental growth, I think the stocks can really have a smart bounce back. IT sector also looks seems that a correction is over and it is ripe for a bounce back. NBFCs, especially the housing finance companies, they are also showing signs of green shoot, and they have a decent correction, and now they are rally and the rally can be expected anytime soon. So these are few of the sectors that I think one should focus on in order to play out the next financial year. Whether or not the rally will culminate into a bull market, that we will assess and that we will let you know. But I think from short to medium term perspective, it's time to take long positions. If you have any queries or doubts about sectors or stocks, please feel free to write to us. Thank you.